Hello, this is Dr. Behnam. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and welcome to one of our educational videos. This one, how to protect yourself from the sun. So every time a patient comes in, we always try to educate our patients about how to protect themselves from the sun, especially given the fact that we live in the beautiful Southern California. So one of the most important factors is that when you leave the house, you have to put on your sunscreen. A lot of my patients tell me, Doc, I'm not out in the sun. By just going from your house to your car, and then going from your car to inside the grocery store, or from your car into the office building, those couple minutes of sun exposures here and there will eventually add up over 20, 30, 40-year period. And it will increase your risk of skin cancers. So, put on your sunscreen every morning before you leave the house. If you know you're going to be outside, like out on the beach, or skateboarding, or running, it's very important to actually apply the sunscreen every 2 hours. In addition, wearing a hat, a long sleeve shirt, long sleeve pants will protect yourself from the sun as well. The best hours to avoid the sun is from the hours of 10 to 2. That's when basically the sun exposure is the most intense. If you want to do some shopping or some errands, it's better to do it before 10 in the morning or basically after 2 to 3 in the afternoon. I have some patients that spend a lot of time in the car, and there were studies done in the U.S. Comparing our patients in the U.S. compared to patients in England, where people drive on the other side basically of the street, and it has been shown that in the U.S. the left side of the passenger side is the area where patients get the most amount of sun exposure and a higher risk of skin cancers. So I have patients who are truck drivers, and I highly advise them to constantly put the sunscreen on their left arms, forearms, and hands, because this is where the most of the exposure takes place. There are even some patients that actually wear kind of like a glove in order to protect their hands, and that's perfectly fine as well. So whatever you could do to protect yourself from the dangerous rays of the sun, that's going to save in the future from getting a skin cancer, and also just reducing the risk of developing skin cancer. And again, the most important thing is to wear sunscreen and keep applying it multiple times a day. Again, this is Dr. Behnam from Dermatology and Hair Restoration Specialist. If you have any questions, please feel free to check out our website at santamonicaskin.com, and also to watch other educational videos. Have a nice day.